Welcome to Virtual Workshop 2020, the largest virtual training and information event for school officials in New Jersey. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the virtual platform. The show will go live at 7 a.m. on October 20th, 2020, with sessions beginning at 9 a.m. We encourage you to sign on and build your profile prior to the event to familiarize yourself with the sign-on process. After logging in, you will be brought to the external lobby. Click Enter here to enter the virtual platform. Here you'll be able to access the Investors Bank Training Center, to access the conference agenda, watch live sessions, and to replay on-demand ones that you may have missed. You'll also be able to access the exhibit hall, so you can interact with our exhibitors and learn more about the products and services that they provide. Also, you can access the CDI Lounge to connect with county leadership and launch a chat with CDI. And to access the Help Desk, where you can chat with live support reps to troubleshoot IT issues or contact an NJSBA rep for assistance. You can also access each room by using the blue navigation toolbar on the top menu. For example, you can access the exhibit hall listing by clicking on this tab here. Once you are in one of the 7 exhibit halls, you will be able to click each booth and access any organization to learn more about their products and services, and to also download their provided materials. These downloads will be saved into your Spiesel briefcase, which can be accessed in the blue navigation bar here. You will then be able to email the items to yourself at the conclusion of the event. The exhibit hall live hours will be from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on October 20th through the 22nd, but are available for an entire year. All booths are also searchable using the top search bar. To access the agenda and live sessions, please enter the Investors Bank Training Center. Then click Conference Agenda. There you will find multiple tracks over the course of the 3 live days. The agenda can also be accessed through the navigation menu. We also encourage you to check out the special evening events, which can be viewed on billboards in the lobby. The leaderboard, which is located in the main menu bar, is an interactive game that rewards attendees with prizes for maximizing their workshop experience and will be live until the conclusion of the last session on Thursday, October 22nd. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial. We hope you enjoy and take full advantage of everything that Workshop 2020 has to offer. See you virtually live from October 20th through the 22nd.